Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Bring your left arm in front of your chest with your hand pointing straight down, and bring your right arm under it so that your left hand touches your right elbow and your right hand touches your left elbow. Switch so that your right arm is above your left arm. Slide your hands toward each other until they meet. Extend your right arm toward the camera, palm up, and hold your right elbow with your left hand. Turn your right hand so that your palm is facing down before making it into a fist. Jump slightly, bringing your feet apart, then lean forward and shake your hips to the right, left, and right. Slide your feet back together and point straight up with your right hand. Step to the right with your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it before stepping to the left with your left foot and bringing your right foot over to meet it. Plant your right foot and lean forward, swinging your arms inward in front of you. Move your arms so that they are in front of your face and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Pull your arms out to either side of your face as you step back out to the right with your right foot. As soon as your arms are on either side of your face, bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step back to the left with your left foot as you bring your right hand up near your face and extend your fingers and look to the left. Take a step toward the camera with your right foot. Step forward with your left foot, then spin to the right on it until you face the camera again, before bringing your right foot down and stepping in place with your left foot. Kneel down on your right knee and stay there for 4 counts before standing and stepping backwards, doing arm movements if you want to, for the next 8 counts. Step to the right with your right foot, and then bring your left foot over to meet it as you swing your arms to the right. Repeat this to the left, then the right, then the left. Plant your right foot and extend your right arm toward the camera. Now bring your right hand into your chest and look down before looking up again and turning to the left. Facing the right, kneel on your left knee while resting your left arm on your right knee for 4 counts. Turn to the left so that you're kneeling on your right knee and your left arm is resting on your left knee, and extend your right arm up and back. Hold this for another 4 counts. Stand up and step out to the right a bit, and then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step out to the left a bit and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Repeat this on the right, left, and right. Turn to the left and step forward on your right foot, sliding your left foot along. Repeat section 3 of part 3. Facing the left, kneel down on your right knee, extend your arms to the left, and push out with your chest. Repeat this move on the opposite side. Keeping your hands together, move them up, then over to the left, then down. Put your hands on your left hip, spreading your fingers, and look down. Stand up and turn to the right. While turned to the left, extend your right arm and shake your hand toward the camera before bringing it down and sliding your right foot back. Pivot on your left foot so that you are facing the right, and plant your right foot as you shake your left hand toward the camera, then bring it down and slide your left foot over a bit. Step in place with your right foot as you move your left hand from right to left. Step in place with your left foot and move your right hand from left to right as you slide your right foot toward your left foot a bit. Pivot on your left foot and step toward the camera with your right foot as you bring your hands up and then out and down. Bring your right arm in front of you and to the left, then pull it to the right as you spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Step back with your right foot and slide your left foot back as you push out to either side with your hands. Bring your hands down to your hips and step out with your right foot. Move your right heel to the left twice. Turn to the left and step back with your right foot as you curve your right arm up in front of you, then slide your right foot back towards your left foot and bring your right arm down. Step to the right with your right foot and bring your hands up, palms in. Now step behind your right foot with your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and hop up, bringing your hands down and shaking them throughout. Extend your arms out in front of you and shake your hands out to either side as you step to the left with your left foot, step behind your left foot with your right foot, and then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot before hopping up. Put one hand flat against the other in front of you, and bend your left knee as you slowly bring your hands up until they are in front of your face. Straighten your left leg and bend your right knee as you move your hands straight up above your head and then down behind it. Straighten your right knee and bend your left knee again as you point up and to the right with your right hand. Look down as you step behind your left foot with your right foot and rest your right hand on your left hip. Look toward the camera on Kimi. Take 2 steps toward the camera, starting on the right foot. Plant your right foot, then your left foot. Without moving your feet, turn to the left and bend your right elbow in a 90-degree angle with your left hand on the inside of your right elbow. Quickly spin to the right and end by kneeling on your left knee, flipping your hood up if you have one.